Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy GC. I'm about to go clean some shoes. Yeah, I'm actually gonna show you guys how I clean shoes, or what I use to clean the shoes, and show you what I use. This thing right here is called Easy Cleaner by Angela's brand. And honestly, if you're gonna sell shoes, I'd get this in a gallon. What is this? 1 gallon? Yeah, I think this is 1 gallon. I ordered this on their website when they had that sale going on. But if you're a shoe seller, this is really important to buy. What I do is I put a little bit in here in a cup, and then I just dilute it in water, and then I use my brush, which I got from them also. But they got good products. I use their products for shining shoes, restoring leather, and all that good stuff. As you can see right here, it says it's used for suede, leather, buck, rubber, linen, Gore-Tex, nylons, satin, canvas, plastic, vinyl. So this is basically an all-around all-purpose cleaner, and it's made in America also. See right there. But yeah, when you use this, make sure you use it on a small part of the shoe before you use it on the whole thing, because you don't know if the color is gonna leak, gonna spill or what, and you don't want the color to come off. But yeah, this is what I use. I already went through a lot, already half gallon. So this probably lasted me around, shoot, maybe a year. Oh no, I'm not lasted me, but this I got this a year ago, and I'm already halfway. But it did spill a little bit when it came to Hawaii. But yeah, this is what I use, and then I just use a brush and microfiber towel. And I'm gonna show you guys what else I use. When you guys do clean shoes, what you want to do is wear gloves, and then I would use some kind of eye protection, just in case. You don't want no nasty dirt or all that germs to go in your eyeballs. But yeah, I use gloves. I started using gloves and this face mask. But I would not use gloves before until I don't know. It's kind of gross when you think about it, because they're stepping on the floor and all that stuff. But yeah, shoes is the best. For me, it's my bread and butter, shoes. And I'm going to show you guys what kind of shoes I pick up. Yeah, sorry, I'm not really good at vlogging, but I think this would be more interesting if I do vlog type of videos. But yeah, I got my right there, my microfiber towels and my board. If I clean shoes inside the house or inside my condo, I usually have this board right here, so the crap don't spill all over the place. As you can see, there's like all these shoe dressing and dirt and stuff. But I'm actually gonna clean them outside, because what you don't want to let cockroaches in your house. Because let me tell you that the shoes that you pick up from Goodwill or any other thrift store, there's gonna be roaches hiding in there. That's just the nature of the business, because everybody's donating and they're just leaving crap all over the place. So the roaches just make a home inside the shoes. But if you clean them out, it's all good. So yeah, all right. Again, it's a nice, beautiful day in Hawaii, and yeah, usually it's hot in Malanai, but today it's not that hot. So I'm gonna try and crank out all the shoes before I bring them inside, because you don't want the shoes to be laying in the sun, heating up. Because if you leave it in the sun, the shoes will start cracking, the glue will start deteriorating, and you don't want that. And I actually do auto detail on the side also, and I sell auto detail products. So So there's all junk, all kinds of junk in there right now. Small generic bike. Got it off eBay for 50 bucks. I mean, what did I expect for $50? Tommy Bahama chair. Got it on at Goodwill. I think I got it for like $6.99, but it's a freaking good chair. And my little rack, which I use for detailing, but I'm gonna use it today for shoe cleaning. Got this at Goodwill also for $6.99. When you start getting into the game of thrifting or reselling, you're gonna find a lot of good stuff, and you're gonna stop paying for retail, or you're gonna try to get it for cheaper. I don't know, you just start developing all these habits of trying to find the best deal, and that's how I got majority of all my stuff in my house. Or like I would sell stuff to buy stuff. So that's another good benefit of reselling, because you get all these, you become resourceful and you become smarter with your money. So yeah, that's why it's good reselling. It's a good experience for me because I have a whole different view of how I see things and buy things. Alright, we're gonna move up to the next video. I'm gonna show you everything. Alright, so the first shoe we have here is Nike Shox for women and men. They actually sell very good. You always want to pick up these Nike shoes because they are good sellers. And I got this for, I think it was $7.99, but they'll probably sell for at least maybe 50 bucks, 50, 60. It depends on the condition. It's white, it's a little bit dirty, but I'm pretty sure I'll get this clean. Next is a Nike Air Max, and I usually don't pick them up because when you pick these up, the bubbles are actually broken. If you see right here, the bubble right here is usually broke, and it would crack. But these are in pretty good shape. Again, $7.99, and these have a unique design to them. Next, I wasn't gonna jump on this, but they were going for a pretty good price, and you could see that the BOA action on the laces. Not sure what type of shoes they are, but they're going for $5.99, and these are for ladies. It's a size 6. It has the sticker still on there, and they were going for about 60 bucks used. This is actually one of my favorite. You guys probably know this logo. It's actually a CrossFit shoe, and this one went for $9.99. They're usually priced at $7.99, but I don't know if they're catching on. But this is the Nano 7, which is, I think this is one of the newest ones. But these are gonna go for a good price. It's in pretty immaculate condition, as you can see right there, Nano 7. And look at the bottom. It's in pretty good shape. I like it. If it was for men's, I'd probably keep it. But CrossFit is one of my best sellers. You don't want to pass up on these. A lot of guys pass up on these, and even when they're ugly and dirty looking, they still sell for a great price. I'm thinking I'm gonna get probably 70 bucks, 60, 70 easy. When I say easy because CrossFit shoes sell really well for me, and I never had any shoe that sat for more than a month with these CrossFit shoes. Next one is these Heelys. I sold some Heelys before. It depends who's on the buyer and stuff, but this is the Heelys for kids, and they have the wheels on them, and it's in pretty good shape. I'm thinking I'm gonna get maybe 40 bucks for these, and I picked them up for $5.99. There we go, $5.99. Lastly, are these Kohan men's shoes, and a lot of people pass up on these, but Kohan is a pretty good brand. I sell them, like I said, these are my bread and butter. This one went for $12.99. They're overpricing these damn things, but as you can see, it's still good shape. Look at that, hardly used. and it has the Nike Air on there, the Nike Air bottom sole, and it's in pretty good shape. Look at that. It has the wingtip. So these are Oxford wingtips, and when you buy dress shoes, make sure you find the ones with the wingtips because they sell really well. This is a size 9.5. I think I'll probably get around 70 bucks for these because these are retail for around 300, 200, it depends. But yeah, I'm gonna get these cleaned up. Alright. So yeah guys, if you guys want more tips and tricks, hit me up. I was on Gumroad, but they actually kicked me off because of one dispute, and I think they were just trolling me honestly, because they said, oh, it's just business, nothing personal, it's just business. Like, who in the right mind that's professional would say that? It's like I don't know. But now I'm just gonna sell them off my website. My website will be up pretty soon. It's actually more towards for my detail customers and my real estate customers, but I'm gonna turn that website in just to my name. So it's gonna be my branding, and you could buy all my courses on there and contact me from there. I'm gonna probably have some stuff listed, especially if it's rare stuff, so you guys can check them out instead of going on eBay. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys later. Peace.